Maximum efficiency in ample space. The new Audi Q7 TFSI E Quattro and Q8 TFSI E Quattro. A powerful 3.0 V6 auto engine, an effective electric motor, and a new battery for high efficiency and lots of driving fun. Increased battery capacity for an all-electric range of up to 90 kilometers, in urban areas under the WLTP EAER city standard. New options: all-wheel steering and electromechanical active roll stabilization, EAWS, make for a dynamic driving experience. Audi Q8 TFSI E Quattro. Download. Press contacts. Audi gives the electrified Q7 and Q8 a facelift with updated battery technology and more efficient driving modes. The exterior design was also reworked as part of the model upgrade and features new front and rear aprons to highlight the strong character of the two models. For the first time, both plug-in hybrids are available with all-wheel steering for an increased degree of safety and comfort. Electromechanical active roll stabilization, EAWS, guarantees even more dynamic handling. Prices start at €85,500, Q7 55 TFSI E1, and €92,900, Q8 55 TFSI E2. Larger battery, more power, longer range. At the heart of both plug-in hybrids is a 3-liter 6-cylinder Otto engine with 250 kilowatts, 340 PS, of output, a compact electric motor, PSM, with a maximum output of 130 kilowatts and 460 Newton-meters of torque, and a new, more powerful, liquid-cooled lithium battery located under the floor of the trunk. The battery's energy is concentrated in 17 cells with 70 Ah each, called stacks. 6 stacks form one unit, which are connected in series. This compact design inside the battery housing eliminates the need for an additional module housing, resulting in higher power density. The design achieves a maximum capacity of 25.9 kWh, gross, 22 kWh net, at 370 volts. The increased capacity results in an all-electric range of up to 90 km in urban areas under the WLTP EAER city standard. This is equivalent to a combined electric range of up to 85 km under the WLTP EAER standard. The maximum system output of both models with the 55 TFSI E Quattro starts at 290 kilowatts, 394 PS, and a maximum system torque of 600 Newton-meters. Fuel consumption for the Q7, weighted, combined 1.4 to 1.2 L/100 km. Power consumption, weighted, combined 29.1 to 27.8 kWh/100 km. CO2 emissions, weighted, combined 33 to 28 G/km. CO2 class, weighted, combined B. Fuel consumption on discharged battery, combined 10.5 to 9.8 L/100 km. CO2 class on discharged battery, G. Fuel consumption for the Q8, weighted, combined 1.6 to 1.2 L/100 km. Power consumption, weighted, combined 30.4 to 27.7 kWh/100 km. CO2 emissions, weighted, combined 37 to 27 G/km. CO2 class, weighted, combined B. Fuel consumption on discharged battery, combined 10.9 to 8.9 L/100 km. CO2 class on discharged battery, G, thanks to the electric motor's modified design. With both engines working in tandem, the electrified Q7 and Q8 accelerate to 100 km per hour in 5.7 seconds. Higher in the range is the 60 TFSI E Quattro, which also benefits from a newly designed electric motor with up to 360 kilowatts, 490 PS, of system output and up to 700 Newton-meters of torque. Fuel consumption